Welcome to CinemaViva Tech Tips Episode 4. I'm Horacio, and today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges content creators can face: remembering your script while filming. Look, whether you're shooting interviews, educational content, or brand videos, staying focused and confident without sounding stiff isn't easy. Now, a teleprompter is hands down the best tool for the job, but a professional rig can get expensive, and you often need someone to operate it. That's why I created a versatile mobile teleprompter rig that I can operate completely solo while filming myself. As a matter of fact, I'm operating it right now with this trackpad. In this episode, I'll show you exactly how to build this rolling teleprompter rig, what gear I use, how to set it up, and a few pro tips to make your shoots run smoother. Let's jump in. For the camera, we're using the Sony FX30, Apple MacBook Pro to run the Teleprompter program, which we'll talk about later. The actual teleprompter with the glass and everything is an iLoknzi 18-inch wide-angle teleprompter. It's mounted on a Flashpoint rolling lowboy stand, which is a wheeled heavy-duty stand that makes this entire rig mobile. We have an ultra-thin external monitor to display the script, and it is connected to the laptop with an Apple Thunderbolt Pro cable, 3 meters long, about 10 feet. It's important that you get a really quality cable, otherwise you won't be able to power the monitor from the laptop. You'll have to use a separate cable for AC power to the monitor. So be sure you get something that's USB 4 up to 40 gigabytes per second, data, 100-watt charging. This Apple Thunderbolt cable is really nice, even though it's 150 bucks, but it's worth it. Next up, we've got the Moman 99-watt V-mount battery. Any V-mount battery will do. It's good for charging the camera, keeping things portable, and it's mounted to the teleprompter with the Canva crab clamp V-lock plate. As I mentioned, for teleprompter software, I use Teleprompter. I like it a lot because it mirrors the external monitor directly. There's no need for a separate device like a decimator or external converter. So let's build this out step by step. Number one, start with the Flashpoint rolling lowboy stand and lock the wheels. So you have to use a couple of things to attach the teleprompter to the lowboy stand. The first thing you need is this Neewer junior to baby pin adapter, and it just goes in there like this. And then on top of that, you use the Flashpoint baby ball head adapter. And then on top of that, you put the Neewer ball head, Neewer low profile camera tripod ball head. And then that connects to the teleprompter rig. Also, I thought it was a good idea just to mount a power strip at the bottom. It's very handy, and it easily mounts in there with zip ties. Then mount the Sony FX30, and I like to use the 18 to 100 millimeter lens for this setup. Position your external USB-C monitor in the area right here, and then use the Apple Thunderbolt 4 cable to connect it to the MacBook. Then mount the V-mount battery to the stand using the Canva clamp. Since it's a ball head, you can adjust the level of the teleprompter. I like to use the Sony level guides to get it just right. So there you have it. This rig is mobile, professional, and works great in the studio or on location. Here's a few tips I've learned using this rig. 1, use large, bold fonts, 48 point or larger for better readability. Rehearse the pacing once or twice before recording, maybe even 3 or 4 times, depending on how you're feeling. Keep your eye line behind the lens for a better viewing connection. And if you're rolling between setups, unlock the wheels and reposition gently. This teleprompter rig is perfect for solo creators, executive messages, testimonials, and YouTube content. It's a budget-friendly, operator-friendly alternative to expensive rentals. If you'd like help building one of these rigs for your own content, or want us to show up with one ready to go, reach out to us at CinemaViva.com. We specialize in making your video production smooth, efficient, and stress-free. You'll find the Amazon shopping list in the description with links to every product I use today. There are affiliate links. If you click and buy, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching CinemaViva Tech Tips. Hit like, leave a comment if you've got questions, and subscribe for more gear breakdowns and solo video solutions. See you on the next one.